Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the channel, and in this video we are going to take a look at the OriginOS port for a Redmi Note 4 which is called as Mido. So without wasting any more time, let's take a quick look at it. So guys, this is OriginOS Ocean and this is a Vivo's mobile phone OS, and you can see it is based on Android 11, so it's kind of very old. So if you get here version info, you can see it says your model number, your software info, your baseband. You have your kernel version. We had 4.9 Frenzy Flame kernel kind of something. We have compiled time is from 2022, so the kernel was compiled in 2022, not the whole ROM. But it is a ported ROM, so it could have been ported anywhere, like even in 2024, 2025. This is Android 14 Easter egg. Oh, sorry, Android 11 Easter egg, not Android 14. This is Android 11, as you can see, and this is kind of a experience ROM. I mean, I'm not saying you guys that you should fully use it, but yes, if you have a Redmi Note 4 Snapdragon variant, obviously, and it is lying around, then this ROM is surely a tryout. Now I'm not going to jump into settings, talk about what's working and what's not. Obviously it is booting fine, Wi-Fi, all the basic stuff is working. Other than that, you can test it out. This is for experience. If you want to try out some, custom OEM OS which have been modified, the skin is modified from Android to their own, you can try it out. This is Chinese OS, so obviously you might feel some of them have been similar with the MIUI, but yes, the elements are not alike MIUI. It is quite different, but yes, we get the control center. This also has an app drawer, so yeah, all the app icons. You can just see that, see those app icons and tell this is a Chinese OS. But yes, it's good. It's different. So if you want something different skin, different experience. If you want Vivo's OS on Redmi, I mean, it sounds really weird, but yes, if you want it, you can try this out. And yeah, there's no restrictions. You can try it out, you can test it out, and that is it. There's not going to be any improvements because this is an Android 11 based ROM. So this is a pure experience based ROM. So if you want to try out something new on your Redmi Note 4, then this is a sure shot go. Now, if you want to install this, I'm going to tell you the exact procedure. So be with me throughout the entire video, and obviously it is coming to end, so you don't have to wait a lot. So let's move straight away into installation. Sorry for that. Yeah, we are going to power off your device, and my volume buttons are kind of enable power button. No, don't enable it. My power button is kind of not properly working. Even my volume buttons. So yeah, sometimes they work, sometimes not. So I'm going to just boot into TWRP and we'll meet there. So guys, we have booted into Orange Fox Recovery, and sorry, I was saying TWRP. It actually needs Orange Fox Recovery and that specific version, which I will mention it below in the description. So just download that version. I need to move these two files, which is Mido System 5G, which means 5GB, and OriginOS Ocean Mido zip. Now the system file is not needed if you are facing any errors regarding system, if there is a partition issue, and if you are unable to install that into your device, your Redmi Note 4, then you might need that zip, and you can install that zip beforehand if you lack that system storage. But yes, for other basic users, you can just easily wipe and straight away install the ROM. And guys, as you can see, it says script succeeded and result was it was successful. So just reboot system. There's no need to install any other thing, and you can install Google Play Store, so you need to install any other apps you want through APK if you are willing to use this for a long term. But I'm saying just install this, use it as an experience, and switch to a good stable ROM. And obviously I'm going to review one Android 16 ROM. I wanted to test that out for a long time. That's why I reviewed this one first. And as you can see, the boot animation has already started. It says Vivo 5G and that is it. There's no boot animation after that. It is just like this. So That's it guys. If you have liked this video, press the like button. If not, dislike button. Subscribe to the channel for more such videos on Redmi Note 4 and other devices on the channel, and see you guys soon with another of my videos which are going to come soon for Nothing Phone 1, your Redmi Note 4, OnePlus 60, OnePlus 6 and 60, Galaxy S7 and other devices too. So that's it. Bye bye. See you guys soon and take care. Bye bye.